I thought we'd have a bit of fun today with this little cheap padlock. I don't even think it's brass. You can see where it's been scratched up. I think it's steel underneath. Not 100% sure though. Anyway, it's 4-pin lock. Comes with 3 keys. Not that you really need keys, because this thing you can open up with just a knife. Just pop open the locking pawls. There we go. Right, I figured we'd do a bit of overkill and blast this thing with the RAMSET. So let's crack on and see what happens. I think you know what's going to happen. Well, there's what's left of it, and my suspicions were right. It isn't brass, it's actually some sort of cast, don't know what, cast steel. It's not zinc because it's heavy. Must be cast steel or cast iron and just brass coated. Anyway, never gets old with a RAMSET. Catch you later, guys.